The nature of air power is changing. It's evolving at a pace never seen before. Recent conflicts like those in Ukraine and the Middle East have shown this. These regions have become testing grounds for new tactics and technologies. Gone are the days of massive air battles with only fighter jets. The skies are no longer dominated by a single type of aircraft. Today's battle space is different. It's more complex and unpredictable. The integration of drones and advanced surveillance systems has changed the dynamics. The U.S. Air Force understands this. It is undergoing a major reboot to stay ahead. This transformation is crucial for maintaining air superiority. This reboot is not just about new technology. It's about new strategies and a new mindset. Training and adaptability are key components. The Air Force is shifting its focus. It is moving from traditional platforms to a more diverse force. This includes a blend of manned and unmanned systems, ensuring versatility and resilience. Drones are a key part of this transformation. They are cheaper, more expendable, and less risky to operate than traditional aircraft. Drones have proven their worth in recent conflicts. The Air Force is investing heavily in drone technology. It is developing new types of drones for various missions. This includes surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat roles. Missiles and glide bombs are also becoming increasingly important. They offer a way to strike targets precisely from a safe distance. This reduces the risk to pilots and aircraft. However, this new era of air warfare presents new challenges that are unprecedented in scale and complexity. Defending against drones, missiles, and glide bombs is not only difficult, but also incredibly costly, requiring advanced technology and constant vigilance. These weapons are hard to detect and intercept, often evading traditional defense systems and posing significant risks. The proliferation of these technologies across the globe also poses a challenge, as more nations acquire sophisticated capabilities. More countries now have access to sophisticated aerial weapons, increasing the potential for conflict and the need for robust defense strategies. This creates a more complex and challenging threat environment where the margin for error is slim and the stakes are high. The cost of countering these threats is a significant concern, as nations must allocate substantial resources to maintain their defense capabilities. Advanced air defense systems are expensive to develop and maintain, requiring continuous investment in research and development. The U.S. Air Force must balance these costs with its other priorities, ensuring that it remains prepared for any eventuality while managing its budget effectively. Section 4. Preparing for 2050 and beyond. Looking ahead to 2050, the U.S. Air Force must be flexible and agile, ready to face new challenges and opportunities. Technology is constantly evolving, and the Air Force must adapt quickly to these changes, ensuring they stay ahead of potential threats. This means investing in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It also means being open to new ideas and concepts, fostering a culture of innovation and creativity. The Air Force must be willing to break from tradition, embracing new strategies and methodologies. The Air Force must also strengthen its partnerships, both domestically and internationally. This includes working with allies and the private sector, leveraging their expertise and resources. Collaboration will be key to maintaining air superiority in the future, ensuring a united front against any adversary. Conclusion. The U.S. Air Force is undergoing a major transformation. It is adapting to the changing nature of air warfare. This reboot is essential for maintaining air superiority in the 21st century. By embracing new technologies, developing innovative strategies, and fostering strong partnerships, the U.S. Air Force can ensure its continued dominance in the skies. The challenges are great, but so is the determination to succeed.